Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. Thinking on deleting your Binance Web3 wallets, whether you're switching wallets or just done with DeFi now, here's exactly how to remove it. Firstly, Binance does not allow full deletion of a Web3 wallet because it's non-custodial, meaning only you control the private keys. Binance can't delete it from the blockchain, but you can disconnect it, clear wallet data, and unlink it from your app. Make sure you've backed up your recovery phrase. This is your only way to recover funds later. If you lose it, the wallet is gone forever. Even Binance can't help. Open the Binance app. After that, go to your Web3 wallets settings. Then choose Remove Wallets or Disconnect Wallets. Confirm the prompt and then unlink the wallet from the app. To erase it from your device completely, go to your phone settings and just clear the data for your Binance application, or you can just uninstall it. Now wallet is gone from your phone, but again, it still exists on chain unless you abandon it. And that's how to safely disconnect and remove your Binance Web3 wallets in this year. If you ever need to restore it, just import the recovery phrase. Hit follow for more such tutorials and crypto how-tos, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.